Hey guys, I just wanted to quick share with you this quick unboxing video for this Ethernet cable tester. Now, I'm just doing the voiceover for this now, but I actually recorded this unboxing video a long time ago, and since then I've actually already posted another video showing you, how to use this cable tester and showing you how to test Ethernet cables with it. So you might want to go back and check that video that I've actually already released a while back. But in this video, I just wanted to, I had this old footage sitting around, and I just wanted to, publish this just so people could see what comes in the box and what it's like. So just a quick thing to share, and not a whole lot else here. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, so you basically get the tester, the two components, and a manual showing you how cables are supposed to be wired up and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy exciting. You can find all this info online, but basically this is just what comes in the box. And yeah, just wanted to get this quick video out here just to share this, rather than just sit on it and leave the video unreleased on on my hard drive. So yeah, just sharing this. But if you should definitely check out the full video that I've actually already released, so go back and check that one out. It's a whole lot more useful than this one. But if nothing else, hopefully video is of some use, at least just showing you what comes in the box, and that's it. So check the links in the description of the video for a link to my other video, and also for a link to where you can pick this up online. So anyways, that's pretty much it for today.